I have this math problem, 4 times 13. I need to figure out the answer. Let's use the Russian multiplication method to figure it out. First, we divide the 4 by 2 and times the 13 by 2. This gives us 2 and 26. Then we divide the 2 by 2 and times the 26 by 2. This gives us 1 and 52. Now, according to Russian multiplication, we're supposed to stop whenever the left-hand side, or LHS, reaches 1. Then we cross out all the even numbers on the left-hand side. This gives us an answer of 52. But how does this method work? Let me show you. Let's take a 4 by 13 block grid. As the 4 gets divided by 2, the 13 gets times by 2. In order to get the 13 times 2, we have to line the blocks up. This results in 2 times what? 2 times 26. Because in Russian multiplication, we have to go until there's 1. We have to divide that 2 by 2, which equals 1, and times 26 by 2, which is 52. Now we cross out all the even numbers on the LHS, left-hand side, which we leave all the odd numbers, which we add together to equal our answer. Because there are no other odd numbers to add together, our answer is 1 times 52, aka 52. Now in Russian multiplication, they say to forget all the remainders. So how would that even work, though? Well, let's test that out. Using the same thing that we did last time, we are going to take 5 times 13. So first we divide the 5 by 2 and times the 13 by 2. That leaves us with 2 and 26. Wait, what? 5 divided by 2 is not 2. It's 2 and a half. What's wrong with these people? Didn't you hear what I just said? We forget the remainder. Let's just finish this and I'll explain, okay? Now we take the 2 and divide by 2, which is 1, and then we take 26 and times it by 2, which is 52. Now we cross out all the even numbers. Ignore the LHS. Now we have 13 and 52, which we need to add together. This will give us a total of 65. Let's check this. We got the same answer, so that means it's right. But how? Let's find out with blocks. Here's our 4 by 13 from earlier. Let's slap a 13 on there and divide by 2. Let's take off the remainder, divide that by 2, and line them up. Now we still have this extra 13. And that leaves us with a total of 65! Many claps for us all. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.